Hey there guys, it's Gus, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Outcast 4S. As I'm sure all of you have seen, it's got all the new upgrades, wider, longer, different motor, ESC, metal gears, and different shocks, actually aluminum body shocks. Looks pretty legit. Pop her open here. And I did get the blue one. This should be our remote. Comes with a SLT3. Got our manual, got some adjustment clips for the shocks, a couple tools. The wheel, this one's like a multi-tool. It's got wheel wrench plus your slipper adjuster wrench on there. And the chef says, yep, gravity works. Everything looks pretty legit. There's some flicks to these arms, so they are beefy. I'm gonna guess 90% of the people are probably gonna run a single battery. I wish they would have just ran a single connector on here. And the battery I have should work. I have a 7000 or 7200 milliamp Z battery. And from what I've seen, that should fit right in here perfectly. I've got the 2400 kV. I do have a fan I can put on here if I do have any heat issues. I probably won't because it's, except for maybe in July, but now our temperatures never get over about 70, so. Got the sway bars on there. Nice back flips, and they are pre-vented, which is great. That's one thing I always like about the Arrmas. Yeah, it's a nice looking rig. I just gotta love the smell of a new RC. The wheelie bar. It's actually got a little bumper back there. Yeah, looks pretty good. Is there anything else in this box? Nope. And of course we get typical instruction manual, and I always like how Arrma gives you the parts explosion. Makes it easy to find the parts you need. And maybe pulling this system out of this and putting it into my in fraction 3S and then putting something different into this. I don't want to overpower it. I'll probably still run it on 4S, but I might put like a 6S system in here of some type, just so it doesn't have to work quite so hard. Yeah, that's all I got for the unboxing part. We'll get this thing charged up and we'll take her outside for a little test run. All right, we got her outside. Take her for a rip. Firing up here for the first time. Radio on. Tune the trims here a little bit. It's plenty zippy. And my ramp still sucks. But I just haven't had the time to even get something different. This thing is a wheelie machine, let me tell you. I can hit this ramp right so I get the I watched Chef's video and he wasn't joking. The brake is a little on the touchy side. Get over on this side here. Missed the ramp. I missed the ramp completely. It reminds me of driving my Kaiju. far as the wheelie power goes on it. Oh, that wasn't a good one. So far, I really like this thing. It handles fantastic. There we got a double out of her. Ouch! That was a one tire hit there, right on the front end. Check my motor temps while I'm at it here. Not too bad. That one didn't go very high. Ooh. Almost got myself. Helps if you hit the ramp. Almost got myself. That was a good one. Owie. Owie. thing's a tank. Yeah, but she's got plenty of wheel speed. I don't see why guys are saying you got to gear it up. I think it's fine just the way it is. Whoops, I did it again. Oh dear. Well, that's going to be the end of that for today. Battery is kaput. Nothing's broke. Boy, I scratched the crap out of this thing. Yeah, I can hold my finger on there, so we're good there. I still might put a bigger fan on there. I do have some bigger ones just to... ESC is probably about 110, 20. And mine is good. I seen some had an issue where the drive shaft was rubbing on something. And I see this one actually has like a little rubber thing. And my bearing's not even where it belongs. Huh. Is that supposed to be there? Yeah, there's even a notch. I wonder if that's what was causing the issue with the other guys. If this bearing or this little rubber thing isn't in there and that drive shaft starts to flop, it causes it to wear. Yeah, she worked great. No issues whatsoever. No cracks anywhere. She took some seriously hard front end hits. I will probably get a different... I believe these still have that old... Yes, they do. There's a hot racing servo saver I may get for this. It's a lot stiffer spring. Yeah, so far so good. Everything worked out good. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.